Hi friends, welcome to AlgoWays once again. Uh, I am doing this video for after quite a long time. So today we are going to discuss uh, how to handle a straddle in a strong one-side market move. So basically, if market opens and trends in one side, either upside or downside, and with a strong momentum, in that case, how to handle the straddle. Uh, what I mean here, how to handle the straddle is that we will not exit any leg of the straddle. We will keep both the legs, call option and put option legs, open throughout the entire day, irrespective of how strong the market momentum is in one side or the other side. Okay, so let us take a day, recent day, wherein we had a movement of Bank Nifty of 700 to 800 points or more in one side. So what I have done that I have taken a day, which was incidentally an expiry day as well, of 16th of June. So let me go to the chart. This is the one, the highlighted one. So if you see here, the market has opened at around 33,650, and after first candle it was at 33,700, and then from there the market started falling and it has closed uh, around 1200 points down without any significant retracement on the upside. So we call this as a strong one side move. So we will see how to handle the straddle here and see how much we can minimize the losses, because if we keep the straddle open, both the legs in this case, at the end of the day the coal will uh, depreciate quite a lot, but the PE will give substantial losses. So in that case, how can we minimize the losses and all? Okay, so just to see how strong has been the movement or the momentum of the market on this particular day, let us see that if we create a straddle at 920 in this particular day and don't adjust the straddle, how much loss it would have given. So that the higher the loss uh, in a unadjusted straddle, more it signifies that the market has been in a strong one side momentum. So let us see, I'll use Opstra for this. So let me go to Opstra. Okay, so we'll take the date as 16th and the payoff date same, because we are doing the intraday simulation, and the expiry was also 16th only. 16th, or yes, 16th was expiry. So a movement of 1200 point one sided in a strong momentum on that too on expiry day, because we don't have enough premiums to handle the market movement unidirectionally. So it is a challenging task. So incidentally, we have a day where the day happened to be a expiry day. So let me create the positions. Okay, I'll just reset this one. So 16, 16, 16, Bank Nifty, and I'll go to 920. Okay. So at 920, the spot price was 33679, and the future price was 33748. Okay. So 33748, here it is. So we create a straddle here. So 33748 means 33,700 straddle. It will be the ATM strike, and we'll create the straddle there. 33,700. Okay, here it is. So we will sell one call option and we sell one put option. So this is how it is. So I am first checking if we don't adjust this straddle for the entire day, what would have been the result. So I will just go forward by 30 minutes because we are not tracking the market intraday. we are seeing how much it would have given the loss at 15:15, that is 3:15 p.m. So 11:50. Okay, so here we are 15:15. So in an unadjusted condition, our CE gave a profit of 3382. That is what it could have given maximum, and we lost 23,000 in put option. So net loss would have been 20,136 if we don't adjust the straddle. And what is the Bank Nifty rate now? 32646. So let me note down this one. So at 9:20, the Bank Nifty price was 33. Sorry, 33. How much it was? 1 second. Okay, 33,700 we take because we have taken that 33,700. Okay, and at 15:15, it is 32,646. And unadjusted straddle PNL is how much? Minus 20,000. 20,000 something. So we'll take a round of 20,000. So if we don't adjust, we lose 20,000 in this straddle. Okay. So now we will again go back to 9:20 and see the adjustment. I'll explain what adjustment and how they have to be done. Okay, at 9:20 we are. So we sold the ATM strikes of 33,700 CE and PE both. So let us see what are the premiums we got. 131 and 123. So let us note down these premiums. So I have already done that. 131 and 123. This is the total premium we have sold at 9:20. Okay. Half of these calculations will be used later on. Just I'm putting it here. Half of the total sold premium is 127 and 1/3 of the total premium sold is 185. Now, as per the Obstra or as per the sold premium, what will be the range? So range basically is ATM strike plus total premium sold and minus total premium sold. So that will be the range for this particular setup now. So 33,000 plus total premium sold 254. Upside that is 33,955 and lower side 33,700 minus 254, that is 33,445. So if market stays in this range for the day, we will not lose the money. Okay, and by the end of the day, because of theta decay, we will gain. Right. So now what we will do now, we will go ahead by every 5 minutes and see. And as and when the adjustment comes, I will do the adjustment and explain what is the logic and how the adjustment has been done. So we now what we have to do, what figures we have to see, that adjustment level will be this and this. How this has come? This is D1, that is the current ATM strike at which we sold plus this one, half of this, half of the total premium sold upside, and same way the ATM strike minus half of the premium sold. So once one of these level is reached, either upside or downside, we will do the adjustment. And what adjustment we will do? I'll explain it when it comes to that point. So the figures to be observed is 33,573 on downside and 33,827 on upside. Till one of these figure is reached by Bank Nifty, we don't have to do any adjustment at all. Okay, so let us move by every 5 minutes. Let me just enlarge this one a bit. Okay, so now it has gone too much actually. 1 second. right? So I'm moving it by every 5 minutes now. So at 10 o'clock, we are at 33,645, but our level to react is 33,573. So we don't have to do anything yet. We move further. 33,601. Okay. So now we have reached at Bank Nifty 33,574. We can see it here. Okay. This one. So that is our, if you see the adjustment level is same 33,573. So now what adjustment we have to do? See, our tested side is on PE side. So on the opposite side, that is on CE side, call option side, we will sell a premium which is around one third of the total initial premium sold. So total initial premium was 254, one third of that is 85. So we go to the option chain. So we come back to the option chain, and what we will do, we will sell a premium of 80 rupees, around 80 rupees on the call option side. Get option chain, and we search for the 80 rupees premium. So on CE side, 80 rupees is, we have premium of 94 and 58. So 94 is nearer to 80. So we will sell the premium of 94, this strike. So now we have got the third position now, right? And again, our adjustment level now, we have to watch for that if the level goes to 445 on the downside and 955, 33,955 on the upside, where these levels are coming from. Basically, if you see the initial ATM strike plus total premium sold and minus total premium sold, so these level, the range level. So once we reach at the range, we break the range, we immediately exit all the positions and reinitiate the straddle. Okay, so the next level to watch for is 33,445 on downside and 33,955 on upside. So let us move on further. We go by 5 minutes and we are at 622 now. Further we move 33,580, 33,502. Our level is 33,445, where we have to react. So we don't have to react as of now. 33,512, 33,516, 33,488. So we are approaching to the range, lower range of the straddle. Okay, 33,447 exactly where we have to do the exit now. You can see here this particular level, the yellow highlighted one. Okay, so what we will do here, we will exit all the three positions. So let us see what are their rates right now. So the first CE is at 35.5. So I will exit this at 35.5. Modified. So it exited. The PE is at 314.15. 314.15. And the adjustment CE is at 58.7. So 58.7. Modify. So now we don't have any open position and the market is at 33,447. Okay. So now we have to go and sell the straddle afresh now at 33,400. 33,400 will be the ATM strike. So let us go and sell. 33,400 we sell the CE. 33,400 we sell the PE. So let us see what are the levels we sold, what are the premiums we sold. So our new positions is 33,400, 33,400 PE, and the rate at which we entered the position is 138 and 118. You can see that in the morning when we sold, the premiums were 131 and 123, so 254. Right now 138 and 118, that is around again one same premium 256. Though we have, it's expiry day. Why I am highlighting this? Because it's expiry day. The 920 premium were 254 total, and at 1110 the premium is 258, 257. So that signifies that the market is in a strong downside momentum, because when the market is going down, the premium, the handle to handle the PE becomes very difficult, and the PE premiums is very high. So this is one indication that the market is in a strong downside momentum, because the premium at 1110 is more than the premium at 920 on an expiry day. Anyway, so now let us go to Excel and see what we have done now. This is the Straddle 2 we have sold. 33,400 is the ATM, and 138 and 117 we have sold here now. Premiums. And same calculation, their total, their half, and 1/3. This is the new range. The new range is ATM plus total premium and ATM minus total premium. And the adjustment level is again same. ATM minus half of the total premium and ATM plus half of the total premium. So now the level to watch or level to react on is at 33,272 and 33,528. Okay. So we need to remember these two levels. So we move further now. We go to payoff chart and start moving further. Obstra is a bit slow. Okay, so the level, let me see again, 272 on downside. $317 we are at, 33317, 334, 247. Okay, so we have come drastically down in last 5 minutes. Because in Obstra, I cannot go ahead in a step less than 5 minutes, because otherwise your 272 level would have come between this 5 minutes and the previous 5 minutes. So we will do the adjustment here now at 33344, because the next 5 minutes the market is quite a down actually, 33240 odd, which is way below our adjustment level, right? So what adjustment we have to do here? We have to sell a premium again of around rupees 85 of CE, because our PE side is getting tested, so we have to sell the premium on untested side. So 85 rupees. So we get the option chain and we go for 85 rupees. So 85 and 90, 97 and 66. So 97 is nearer to 85. We will sell 97 premium. Okay, so we are again having 3 legs open, 2 CE and 1 PE, and we are at a loss of 2,191 right now. So now let us check with the Excel what we have to do when we have to react next. On downside, 33,144, on upside 33,656. So 33,144 on downside. Let us go ahead. And we are at 11:35 a.m. now, a.m. right? 33,144. Okay, so we have already reached within next 15 minutes at 33,149. So again, what is the action now, because we have reached at the lower end of the range. So what do? We exit all the open positions now again. So now CE is at 47.25, so I will exit it at 47.25. PE is at 332. I will exit PE at 332. And the adjustment वाला जो PE है, CE is at 47.25 again. 47.25 मैं exit कर दूंगा इसको 47.25. So we are with no open position now again at 1150. So we go and see what is the market level right now. We are at 33149. So 33100 will be the strike which we will sell now. So call for the option chain, and 33100 we again sell the straddle. 33100 this one at position, and 33100 at position. So let us go up. So let us see what are the premiums we have sold now. 143 and 126, that is 170. So at 1120 premium is total 270, sorry, 270 total, and morning 920 premiums sold were 254. So the things are not looking good in terms of the market direction and movement, because the premium we have seen in the last two instances on the expiry day also, it has not gone down from 254. Instead it has increased. So it means the momentum on downside is very huge, right? So now we have sold this one. So let me go to Excel. So third straddle where we sold is here, 33,100, and these are the premiums sold. This is the total. 135 is half and 90 is 1/3 of the premium. The range is this one, 32,830 on downside, 33,370 on high side, upside. And the level to react is 33,235 and 32,965. So let us watch for 32,965. So we move further and wait for 32,965. 33,200, 33,161, 33,181. We have reached 33,968. Sorry, 32,968, and our level to adjust was 32,965. So we are there. So what we will do now, we will sell a premium of 90 on CE side. So fetch the option chain, 90 rupees on CE side. Let us see. So we have 76 is the nearest to 90. So we will sell 76 at position. And now our next level to exit is 32,830. So we need to watch 32,830 now on downside. 32,977, 900, 813. So we have reached there again. So now we have to exit the straddle and all the open positions. So 26 is the CE, 26. The P is at 348. You can see how badly the P is hurting today. It is easy to handle CE in a rising market than to handle a PE in falling market. PE gets literally monster in downside move. So this CE will go at 42.55. Okay, so we are again without any position and we are at 33,800 ATM and we are at 1:25 p.m. So let us sell again at 33,800. Add position 32,800, add position. So now the premium sold is 109 and 131, 240. So let us see here 109 and 131 and 240. Half is 120. Adjustment level is 80 point movement in the premium. So we need to watch the level 680 on the downside and 920 on the upside. So let's move 680 and 920 level. Okay. So let us move 680 if it comes. 827, 849, 840, 881, 831, 888, 793, Opsta is very slow today. Okay, 826, 741, 708, 724, 725. Our level is 682, 680. Okay, so we are at 682 now. So what we do, we check our Excel sheet. 682 was the level, we reached that and we sell a premium of 80 rupees on CE side again. So we get the option chain 80 rupees on CE side. Okay, 92 rupees is the nearest available. So we sold that and now level is level to watch is 32,560 on the range break even and 33,040. Let us see. 648, 670, 632, 739, 719, 667, 657. Okay, so 646 is the level at 3:15 p.m. So we don't proceed beyond this point. We have to exit the positions. Our break-even level was 560. It did not reach there. Our upside level was 33,040. It did not go there also. So we exit the positions here. So let us see what is the position. C rate is 0.3, 0.3. P is again at 158, 158. And the other CE is at 43.8. So now we are done for the day, and at the end of the day, we are in a loss of 1741. So let us see where we started. We started at 33,700 and we are at 32,646. So around 1000 point movement, 1050 point move. and we lost minus 761. Now you can see that in an unadjusted straddle, we lost 20,000 rupees. And when we do these adjustments in the firefighting, we lost 1761. Yes, there's a loss and we have to take that and exit. Now the question will be why to do so much firefighting? There are other ways as well. Like in the morning, what we would have done, which normally people do, we sold at 920 on these levels, and we keep a stop loss of say 30% or maybe 50% on expiry days in both the legs. So what would have happened that our P leg would have cut at इसका 50% divided by 2. At 61 we would have exited PE, and this of course would have become 0. So what we would have gained is this into this will be our loss 61.5, and the profit will be 131.5 into 25. We would have easily gained 3288 minus plus होगा तो plus this one. So we would have already definitely gained 1747. Then why to do so much firefighting? The reason for taking this adjustment and doing this video is that we did not know in the morning at 9:20 that market will keep falling and will go to these levels. Okay, the adjustment which I just shown, that 50% SL, you cut the position, the losing position, and retain the other position, it will do very good in case of such market when it has gone one-sided. But what would have happened if after cutting the P legs, market would have reversed and gone back to hit the C legs also? So let us see what would have happened then. Then the C also would have cut at 50%. So this would have been into loss. How much? 65 minus 25. No. Loss would have been this one, 50%. So we would have ended up in 3184 loss in case we would have taken the leg-wise 50% SL. So because we don't know at 9:20 what will be the closing price at 3:30 or 3:15. If we know that, then anyway, everybody can make huge money daily basis. So if we see the historical data of Bank Nifty, 80% of the time, 80% of the trading days, the Bank Nifty, or for that matter Nifty as well, let us talk about Bank Nifty first, will remain in a range of 500 points or less, and only 20% or less amount of time it will breach the 500 point range on a historical basis. Okay, so we have to build a system which will be good for the market within 500 points range, because that is the more number of instances historically. And I'm not saying this as just like that by experience or by some gut feeling, right? See, I have done an analysis on this. I have taken a dump of Bank Nifty data from May 2018 till today. Till when? Yes, till yesterday, till today. First July. So total number of trading days are 1008. Almost 4 years of data, 4 years and 1 month. So if I put a filter of range, this is the range, high minus low, this particular column. If I filter that for the range of 500 and or more, there are 162 days only. That is 16% of the trading days where the range has gone beyond 500 points in Bank Nifty. 84% of the time, the range has been for less than 500. That is 846 days out of 1000 days, the range has been below 500 points. So naturally, what we will do as a system trader, that we will build a system which suits the market where it behaves in 500 points range more number of days, and balance 16% of the days we have to have in the same system we have to have a logic that we end up in losing very little or we end up flat. See, in today's the example which we have taken, we did not have a retracement at all. See, we have only one, two, three, four 15 minute candles which were green, and those two were the inside candles. The candles have not broken the previous red candle at all, right? So in the same strategy, if we can have a logic that will make money in a range of 500 points, and at the same time we have a logic in the same strategy that we will not lose big in the range when the market moves 1000 points or more, then it makes sense to have such system. So that was the purpose of doing this video. We can do backtesting of any day. You can take any worst day. I'm not saying take one-sided day. You can take the days like this, where the market went up and then market corrected 400 points. Even such day, market went up. Normally, the typical straddle traders, their C legs would have hit the stop loss. Market comes down, P hit the stop loss. Market goes up. If again the straddle is sold, hit the CE again. Market comes down, hit the PE again. Right? But in this strategy, it will not happen that way. It will handle this kind of W or M shape or V shape or whatever shape we call it in the trading language. It will handle those ranges, those kind of market as well. Let us take an example. We don't have data of yesterday, that is 1st July, in Opstra, because Opstra data updates after expiry of the week. So we see there is a upside momentum of 570 points, okay, and it is a very strong up move after opening. So let me see if we have data. I think we don't have data for this. If we see 1st July. 1st July is payoff also as well. But we will not have the expiry of beyond 30th. Yes, we don't have. Okay, once this expiry data comes, we can try this as well. It says that we don't have for this expiry. Okay, but if you see this strategy, I have coded this in a platform called Tradetron. 114B1. 114B1. Okay, so this was, I'm running it on paper trade still. This was the straddle sold. On Friday, I do it at 9:45 because Friday we don't have much decay in the first half an hour. Instead, we can have a wild move because premiums are also high, so it may create panic. So there is no harm in doing it little late on Fridays and Mondays. So 9:45 is on Friday I do it. So we sold 391 premium of 32,200. Let me do it a little larger. It may not be visible. Okay, and we also sold 451 premium of 33,200 strike. It means at 9:45 the ATM strike was 33,200. I have put it in Excel as well. 33,200. The premium sold are these. This is the range calculation: double, half, and 1/3. So this is the range: 34,052 and 32,358. That is almost 1,700 points range is there. Okay. Now what happened? Market kept going up. So what will happen that once market moves by 421 points, the premium moves, then the level at which we had to do adjustment was 33,621. That is 421 point away. So we did the adjustment. In fact, system did the adjustment, and the premium sold was, as per the calculation, 281. The system has sold the premium. This was the two, this is 281. That is the adjustment premium. So it sold at 276, and at the end of the day, the system exited with all the three positions at 3-1, 3 baje, and with a profit of 1420. Okay, there are many ways of trading straddle. I'm not saying that the other methods are wrong, but if we want to have a system which will handle the sideways market very well, because it will handle the sideways market very well, we may not get the adjustment at all. Okay, and the range is wide here in this case. Like on Friday, the range is coming something like the first adjustment has happened after 400 points. 33,200 was the ATM entry, and 33,600 the adjustment happened. Still, the system is in profit. If market would have kept going up, we have 2 PE open with the sufficient premium, and the CE. Of course, if we reach the boundary line of the range, it will exit in total. So we made 1420 on Friday's move. That's it. We can you can check this on other days as well. Do code it in any broker or something like TradeTron. Also, you can code it. Okay, and backtest data, I don't rely on TradeTron, but still you can test to get a feeling of the system. And that's all. We are done for the day, and I'll come with another videos as well. So you can subscribe the channel. If you feel the content is good, you can like as well. If you feel the content is not good, you can criticize as well. And you can press the bell icon so that whenever I do next video for knowledge sharing, you can come and have a look at it if you want to, if you have time. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend, and all the best.